Hey everyone, this is Heather Dodge. I'm your instructor for LIS 85, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about getting oriented for our class this summer. This is an important video to watch. It's going to be about 6 minutes long, and I'm going to cover the basics of the class, how to get oriented on our class pages, and hopefully answer some questions that may not come through just looking at the Canvas page. Quickly, I want to let you guys know who I am. I'm a Bay Area native. I went to Mills College. I have a master's in library science. I have another master's in humanities. I've been working in academic libraries for 9 years, and I've been at BCC full-time for 7 years, and I have 2 little kids who are 7 and 4 years old. So, some of you may be wondering what this course is about. Well, LIS 85 is designed to teach you how to do college-level research. So the idea is that we're going to be using the library, we're going to be using library databases, we're going to be using the internet, you guys are going to be learning about different source types, and you're going to use these different sources to support a research topic. So our final assignment for this class will not be an essay, but it will be an annotated bibliography. So course basics. On the class page, when we get into Canvas, you will see a link for the syllabus. It's also important that you guys be checking the calendar weekly, if not daily. You'll also find that there are helpful tools and links under assignments, and you can always keep up with your grade with the grades link. The course homepage will change weekly on Mondays. So on Mondays, it's important that you log into Canvas and look at our class. That's where you're going to find out your tasks for that week. You have until Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. to complete the tasks and the assignments and the discussion forums for that week. If you get confused, you can always look at previous weeks to see what we'd covered. But it's really important that you not get behind because this class is only 6 weeks long. So if you get a week behind, it's really difficult to get caught up. Okay, so other basics. You are going to choose one research topic and do all of the assignments using that research topic for my entire class. So it's important that you make it a good one. And actually, we're not going to declare that assignment in week 3. We're going to do it next week in week 2. So if you're having a hard time figuring out how to come up with a topic, I want you guys to think about maybe a topic that you have from another class this summer. Maybe select something you feel you're an expert on. Maybe that's something that you're interested in your personal life, something that you're interested in academically. Maybe it's a career path that you want to choose, or maybe it's something that you've worked on in the past, or maybe it's something about your neighborhood. You may also choose a current issue or topic from current news, or find something that might be related to your personal life. Important dates. So it's incredibly important that you turn in your assignments by Sunday night, like I said earlier, because our class page will change on Monday morning. June 24th is an important date. That is my census date, so you must log into Canvas and start doing work by that date. If you don't, then I will drop you from the class. July 26th is the last day of our class, and this is the day that all work is due. I will not accept any work after that date. Okay, so we're going to head into Canvas, and you're going to see me looking down a lot because I'm going to be navigating you guys through our class pages. Okay, when you get into Canvas, this is what I call the home page. The home page changes weekly. So like I said, this is going to change on Mondays. and is going to remain up until Sunday at 11:59. Each homepage has a little narrative at the top. This describes what our topic is for the week or anything important that I think you guys should know, and generally outlines what topics we're going to be covering for that week. Down below are the goals for the week. The goals are really important because this tells you what your tasks are for the week. If you go through here and do these one by one, you will have completed everything that you need to do for that week. After this week, if you've missed something, you can always go up here on the left-hand side and go to Pages. So let's say that you get behind and you haven't finished this week. If you go to Pages, that will bring you to all the pages for that week under View Pages. Sorry, it will bring you to all the pages for the semester. If you scroll down, it's in alphabetical order, and you start looking at the area that says Week, you'll see all of the weeks that we have for the class. I don't encourage you to look at these right now. In fact, after today, I'm going to shut down everything but week 1, so it's not confusing for you all. Okay, if you come back up here and you go to Home, another important tab is the syllabus. All right, I have the syllabus linked here, and then down below you can kind of get an outline of the syllabus. So these are some of our assignments that we have coming up in the next 6 weeks. Another important area to look at are over here on the right-hand side, which says To Do. To Do tells you the tasks that you have and when they are due and how many points they are worth. All right, so you'll see you have quite a few assignments that are due this Sunday. The next thing that I think is important for you all to look at, just to get an outline of the class, is to look at the class calendar. If I go over here on the right-hand side to View Course Calendar, that lays out everything week by week for you all. So you'll see what's due each week on the 23rd and 30th. Then you can keep going into July, and you'll see other things that we have due. Okay, that is a general overview of what the class looks like and how to get oriented. Again, if you're confused about what you're supposed to do for the week, read the narrative on the home page, go down and do each one of the tasks that are listed below. If you get behind, you can go over here to Do and see what things it is that you have to do and when they were due. Okay? If you have any questions or you're having trouble, don't hesitate to contact me. You can always go over here to the, where is messages? To inbox. Oops, and as a test student, I can't do this, but if I went to inbox, you would be able to email me directly through Canvas. And you can easily do that, and I respond within 24 hours. All right, thanks everybody.